And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that the poor and developing nations are paying the price for the wrong policies of some developed countries, highlighting that India has been strongly raising the issue of climate justice with such developed countries. He stated this in a video message at the World Environment Day event in New Delhi. Modi said the model of development of advanced countries was contradictory for a long time, as under this model, the thinking of these countries was to develop themselves first, then they can think about the environment. He added that India in the 21st century is moving forward with a clear roadmap on climate change and environmental protection. He also highlighted the initiatives including Green Hydrogen Mission, focus on natural farming and green economy.
आज 21वीं सदी का भारत क्लाइमेट चेंज और पर्यावरण की रक्षा के लिए बहुत स्पष्ट रोड मैप लेकर चल रहा है। भारत ने प्रेजेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स और फ्यूचर विजन का एक बैलेंस बनाया है। हमने एक तरफ गरीब से गरीब को जरूरी मदद दी, उसकी आवश्यकताओं को पूर्ण करने का भरसक प्रयास किया, तो दूसरी तरफ भविष्य की ऊर्जा जरूरतों को देखते हुए बड़े कदम भी उठाए हैं।
BJP State President Ernest Maury